How's it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to go over this gym bag that's also a backpack. This is one of the coolest bags I've seen in a while. It's got a lot of different features on it. Right here, we'll go ahead and start with the outside zipper. You get this open area right here for shoes because it has ventilation right there. That's always nice to have. The handles are like webbing, sewn in webbing, very strong on the handles there. So you can pick it up from the sides if you want to. This is an expanding, so you can expand this out larger on these right here. See these outside zippers? It has this expansion on here. The top is a great place for like a quick jacket, pair of shoes, or something like that. If you want to do it on the other side, you get a little sleeve right here for throwing things in. Now this would be for like random stuff. You can slide down in there. Look at all of the pockets on this. This has the most pockets of any gym bag I've ever seen. And then open it up. Now we're finally on the inside. So on the inside here, you know what, there's the wrapper it came in. You get this little bit. It's kind of like a little sling. So you get a smaller bag that goes with it. And you see the inside of that. And this is all kind of waterproof because you could put easily soap, lotion, and things. And they have tons of molly straps on the front of that and on the front of this. Look at all those molly straps. Oh, another zipper right here and right here. So you can do this outside also. Zipper inside of here. All of this is very high quality. Now that's that waterproof material. So you can put things in there that you're not worried about. Maybe it's drinks or something you could easily put down in there. Now on the back, see this zipper here? That's where the shoulder straps go. So these shoulder straps actually, it's a nice system on how they did this. So now you just turned your gym bag into a backpack. How awesome is that? So now this can be worn like a backpack. This is by far the best gym bag or just kind of backpack and bag in general. I'm using this for when I travel. I'll use this right here because it's not too big. It can go in overhead bins on in airplane. It can go easily in the overhead bin because of the size of it here, which is a nice feature to have because a lot of times I just travel with one bag while I'm traveling. So I'm using it as a gym bag, as a travel bag, pretty much as an everything bag. And the quality of the zippers on this is pretty strong on it. You can lock these zippers. There's enough opening there to put a lock in between the zippers and lock these, so that's always good to have. And there's a spot right here for putting a sling on if you want to take this off, like a shoulder sling that runs around like that. Y'all see that? So then you take this, you can put it down inside because you know why? You can make this like your shaving kit bag or something like that. That's what I use this for because it's got that waterproof membrane in it. And that's a very, handy thing to have. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is one of the better bags for an all-around day use, whether it's gym, travel, overnights, whatever. So yeah, there it is, everybody. See y'all in the next video.